Hey guys! So, in this video, I will show you how to fix why can't I follow anyone on TikTok. So, are you having a problem following anyone on TikTok? This fix method will help you. So now let's go ahead and open our TikTok app. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So go ahead and go to your control center and check if you're connected to your Wi-Fi or your data connection is on. Once you've done that, let's go back to our TikTok app. Now go to your TikTok profile and click the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then click Settings and Privacy. Now click Free Up Space, and then you need to clear cache your TikTok. So clear your cache, click Clear, and then now it's cleared, and go back to your TikTok profile. Now exit your TikTok and open it again. If you still have a problem following anyone on TikTok, try this another method. Go back to your TikTok profile, go to your settings and privacy, and then click Report a Problem. Now, look for Follow, Likes, and Comments section. Then, click Unable to Follow User. So you need to follow these steps, and if it still does not work, you need to say no, and then scroll down, then click Need More Help. And here, you can write your problem, and you can also upload a screenshot of the problem you have on TikTok. And most likely, TikTok will reply to you a resolution to that problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel.